Yeah, so I heard about Enzo online through social media. So I came across them, and what they had done, it looked pretty impressive. So I decided to give them a try. I did reach out to a few architects and a couple other build companies, and they weren't as attentive as Enzo was, and I was more impressed with the presentation and the professionalism that Enzo was providing. So. With the design and the build out, there was some challenges, but Enzo was quite good at overcoming them and being quite transparent with those issues, so I was quite pleased at how they handled it. My favorite part was definitely the finished product. It's turned out quite spectacular, much nicer than I could have anticipated it, so I'm very pleased. I certainly would recommend Enzo. They've done a phenomenal job and very attentive, very transparent, and they've done a phenomenal job with the place. So I'm quite pleased. I certainly would refer them.